this stocking here.
We're opening our stockings. Guys, we're opening our stocking.
Wait, I was gonna take it off the wall for you, lovely. Here, take the hold the stocking, Josiah. Take your stocking.
He's scary.
Jace, don't you want the whole stocking? Y'all go over there. Here, Jace. Alright, y'all wanna go over there and open them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you pause it for a sec?
I got spins. I got trolls. Ooh, let's go. Reese's. I love Reese's.
Let's go.
Fun dip. Let's go. That's what I want.
Oh.
Hey, let's go.
Oh, okay, Jace, I see it.
I got V-Bucks.
You got you some V-Bucks?
I'm gonna open this.
Let's try to get V-Bucks. Because
Well, you got a bendy toy.
I'm gonna see what I get. Ready?
Uh-huh.
It's that's it. I don't remember this character.
Who is that?
I don't remember this character.
Let me see.
Let's go. No, it's Alice Angel.
Show the camera.
It's Alice Angel.
Alice Angel. Oh.
These are always the Santa gave me.
Let's go, bro.
I want to see bugs.
Oh.
You're gonna come like gold ones.
I want to hit you.
You come like Bendy, Boris.
Well, you got, Jace, you got plenty more stuff to open, okay?
This over there.
Yeah, and we're going to go to Grandma's house. Okay, one gift each. One gift each for now, and then we're going to go put our clothes on.
Go!
Jace, you first. Go.
JC first, open it. I second. Come on, I'm second. I want to open mine so badly.
Try opening the corners. Look, right there.
One corners.
Oh. Santa gave me another one, bro. What?
What?
What's the Santa get you?
What is it?
Halo! Halo!
It's Halo!
Wait, I said I want Halo, so why is that there?
We all love Halo.
It's a J.
Halo is the
Halo behind.
That's his Halo sword. The only thing I like about Halo, since Halo Infinite, is it takes forever to kill someone.
Oh, yeah?
It's for shotgun 100 meters away from you can just instantly kill you. It's unfair.
Do you like it?
It?
Yeah, let me see. Let's show the camera.
Show the camera. Halo's sword.
A Halo sword. Go.
Come on,
I'm gonna open my elf.
go. That's what you got an elf from.
But I couldn't open my elf.
Oh.
I'm trying it out. I'm trying to see what's being out.
You got bullets?
Yes, finally I can shoot you.
So I think that means you got a new gun, maybe.
Yeah, the sure gotta get a new gun. Can I say something? What you got?
Yes.
Stuff. What did you get?
You gonna make a comment like that? Really?
Not really. Why did you get me this?
Why did I get you that?
What is it?
No, you don't like that?
Eggs.
No? Okay. I thought y'all liked those kinds of eggs.
I
do.
Y'all don't like those?
I do.
Oh, now you do, because Jay said he do. When you first seen it, you're like,
I'm gonna open my egg. My egg has a
Mom.
this little one right here. This child right here is just me.
I see it.
Okay.
I love it.
How is that? It's a show. It's the show. Yeah, it's a show. See, it's a
He
show.
gave me an elf.
It's a show.
He gave me an elf.
Show. It's a show.
He gave me an
It's an
elf.
elf. Oh, it's an elf. Wait, it looks exactly like Eli. How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know which one's Eli? They
Open
look
it.
exactly alike.
I'm bored. Sonic 2, I can't.
There you go.
There's Sonic 2.
No.
Sonic 2, can I touch him?
No, you're not supposed to touch them.
Like how am I supposed
Show
to?
the camera.
How am I supposed to know which one's Eli? They look identical. Sonic.
I'm gonna show
Eli.
Eli.
Look, they look
Oh, here.
identical.
You guys have a new friend.
Eli, you have a twin brother.
He's Sonic 2. You have a new friend.
Eli, you have a twin
Wait,
brother.
what's his name, Jace?
Sonic 2.
Sonic 2.
This is you guys are friends.
Look, they look identical, don't they?
My A boy.
My A boy.
gonna get them name tags?
Yep.
We have to get them name tags?
Yeah, we have to get them name because look, they look, don't compare them. Look, don't they look like twins? I don't know which one's Eli. Look. See? They're identical.
New friends.
You got a new friend. What's his name?
Elf can't play.
He's gonna ride this car.
Yeah, you're showing them their new friend.
They're gonna ride your new car.
Oh, you're happy with your little elf?
Yes.
Oh,
Thank you, Santa.
you're so
When
sweet.
it was Christmas, me and Troy got our elves on the first try. Mommy, every time
What'd you say?
I said I love you.
Oh, he told the elf he loves him. Okay, who's next?
me.
Okay, go.
Wait,
Mommy.
Mommy.
Go.
I got you a new
Go.
elf.
I got it.
Kids. Open the kids.
Hold on.
Wait.
Troy's first. Troy's next.
This is my present.
If I
This
get
is my. This is my.
Spider-Man.
This is the kid's
Okay,
present.
Spider-Man. No, it won't. Hey, let's see which one.
What?
That's wait. What kind of Spider-Man is this? What kind of Spider-Man is this?
Gamerverse.
What?
Oh, he's from Gamerverse. He's from Gamerverse Spider-Man. He's from the Gamerverse Spider-Man. Never seen that Spider-Man. This is what you all. This is what we can battle.
It's for kids.
We can push each other. Whoever falls down.
Where was the next over?
You know what? There's barely any light in here. Let me grab my camera real quick. My light real quick. Okay?
I got mine. Look, this is mine, Elf. I'm gonna open it for you. Look, I didn't get toys I got. But it's a gaming.
Oh.
Got the same thickness on it. And we're gonna
Wait,
open
I got new animals.
the bikes.
Oh, did we try the bike outside?
I don't find which one I want.
Thank you.
Rick, me tying a shoe.
Is that look? Santa gave me an L.
Just like getting the camera. Come sit over
Gave me
there.
an L.
It's like, and look, I got the quad cheese staff.
You look like quite cheap.
No, I don't.
I love it.
Why are you calling me
I love
white?
my elf on the shelf.
Can I open this one? Why are you calling me white?
He left his elf on the shelf. He said, I love you.
Why are you calling me white? The box. Daddy calling me white. Trigger
Oh, that's my Spider-Man. You gave it to him?
What you mean?
That's mine.
So Santa gave Troy
Yeah.
that.
You gonna give it to him, Troy?
Wait,
Come on, Lonnie. You
wait,
don't play with
look
that.
at Santa gave me.
Watch me just steal Troy's stuff. No, you won't.
He gave me a package. It seems to buy packages or something.
He said, "Thanks for your package." That's so.
Got my quad cheese staff. Now Troy's trying to fight Mac and instantly slap him straight in the face.
I know, toothbrush. That's
I'll
good.
slap you in the face.
That's good. You got a nice toothbrush, like how what mommy has.
Finally, toothbrushes' teeth don't need to be yellow all the time. I brush my teeth more than you. Shut up. No, I brush my teeth more.
Open that one. I thought you open.
Something shaky. Something shaky.
That's you. You don't know. You don't know. Recognize your name when you see it.
That's my nickname.
That's your nickname.
Let me see.
That could be my nickname or my middle name.
No, that's your name, son. You didn't even open it for him.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
I
Give it
pulled
to
the
me.
sticker
Give it to
open
me.
for him.
Give it to me,
Give
Jason.
it. Oh my God! I peeled the damn tape back for
What
him.
the? I didn't even know that there was this and this freaking thing.
Oh no, that's Troy's.
How dare you?
That's Troy's.
How dare
Oh, you opened up
that?
Troy's. You.
What
Yeah.
is that?
Yeah.
Hey, new lightsaber. I'm definitely opening this right
Yeah.
now. Thank you. I love them. Favorite character you love?
Oh, so you're the one that did that one.
No, that's the one we. Really? You have to make a comment. See, I was trying to shut up and not say nothing,
Love you.
but you with your comments. Gosh. Then I had to say something about what we was doing last night, and you. Why you had to say be quiet?
We're going to see
What's that? Let me see what you got.
It says children.
What you got? Let me see.
My favorite character
Open
in
it.
Star Wars is Darth Maul. No one get in this.
Isn't that the one you wanted, Troy?
Yeah, I love Darth Maul. He's my favorite character. Stop it,
He went in Target looking for that the other day.
Somebody's in here.
You have to spill it out.
I got Laker.
No, you just throwing things out. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I said I already saw. I didn't say anything.
Show the camera.
I believe I'm gonna play Benji on the Xbox.
Show the camera.
Look, guys, I got Benji.
I didn't say anything about the game. I
Look.
said I saw.
Wait, Santa gave me Benji because I love Benji.
What were these?
Jace.
Laker phone.
Headphones.
But they're blue.
Uh-oh.
I have
One
Jace. Jace.
Are they gonna fit you? Put them on.
There, Jace.
Oh yeah, they fit. Oh yeah.
Look at me.
Okay, no. You gotta put them back in here.
Over here, kids, over here.
Now you have wireless headphones that you can put to your iPad.
Oh, and my tablet.
Yeah.
You know what we got?
What? A basketball.
That's a soccer ball.
Oh.
Oh, now I can finally play soccer. That's what I've been waiting for. To play soccer.
Well,
Show the camera.
there's stretchy Spider-Man.
Let me see it. Show it on the camera.
Got me a heart attack.
Look at me, get stretchy.
Back up. Back up. So see. Back up.
I got a new gun. Let's go. I'm gonna shoot the heck out of go. I think
I
the
can
boys
stretch
Let's freaking
it.
go!
Wait, what?
That's car now. I see what the bullets are for.
Now you see the book. Show the camera.
I'm gonna shoot the heck out of you since you said you're gonna slap me. I am gonna get my vengeance on you.
I'm good. I'm gonna shoot the crap out of Troy.
No, don't shoot me.
I have a Nerf gun.
I said
Buy them lightsabers. They go through these bitches like.
Look at
it's a double-bladed lightsaber.
I finally shoot Troy.
I mean, you literally
It said-
heard me say he was asking for
Troy
it. Like,
messes
he didn't
with
ask for much.
sunshine.
But
So
yeah.
I don't think you Troy
And you keep
messes
letting
with
them know that I
okay?
paid for it because you keep making comments.
Nerf gun, okay?
Jace, here's a big present.
Thank you.
And sure, you know what I found? What?
I'm gonna open this. It's
Boy,
BJ
man.
Max. It's BJ Max.
I got Hokey.
I got Spider-Man.
Oh, you got the Hulk
I
one.
got Hokey one.
I have Spider-Man.
Oh, there
Arby's
are.
inside of it.
Ooh, it feels squishy. Does it still squish?
Yeah. Wait. Oh, you can see them in light.
Look what I got.
Hold two of your arms. Okay. I'll hold two of the legs.
Wow.
Bing.
So wicked, Doctor.
Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Jiggly, jiggly,
Whoa,
jiggly.
Daddy,
Jiggly, jiggly.
You like it?
Yeah. We look like soccer. That's so nice and Santa. Give me everything I want. I love this. Thank you, Santa. Have you Arby's? This is my present. I know this is a package. Because I'm getting packaged. Getting packaged inside. Oh, I got it correct. I don't know what it is. Why Santa keeps buying packages? What's wrong with Santa keep buying us packages?
Wait a minute. I got the City Table Chase car.
You have microphones, I know.
Hey,
Come over here.
maybe I got it. Yeah, I got microphones. I
Yeah,
got headphones. I got headphones, Mommy.
Okay.
Orange ones.
Orange ones?
I
Show
got
the camera.
blue ones. I had blue ones.
Back up so the camera can see. You be so close.
Got orange headphones.
Look what he gave me, a big blue dinosaur egg.
A big blue dinosaur. That's gonna be messy.
Look.
I said a blue big dinosaur. That's gonna be messy.
Decide to put them headphones back in that case.
GoPro.
Look what I got.
Oh.
GoPro.
Let the camera see.
GoPro.
Look.
Oh.
I love Santa.
Okay. It's like a GoPro.
Yeah. It needs a GoPro. You can take it in water. Water this case.
Yeah.
Another package. Troy. You left this.
Did you like the camera or no?
Yes.
Is that yours? Is that yours?
Yes.
So why you opening Troy's?
Opening mine.
Why you opening Troy's?
I got mine. This one's mine. No, no package.
Okay.
No. Alright, Mom, how is this?
Go ahead.
Alright. Yeah! You guys, guitar.
What do you think?
Sure, what do you think?
Did you want a guitar? Will you use it?
No, it's Daddy.
Will you practice on
Don't
it?
lie. Tell mommy the truth like you told grandma.
Yeah, because when he didn't see that sign said, she's like, you like it? He's like, no.
Over there.
What would you do? You gonna play it? You gonna use it?
Mommy, how would you do? He was a
Are you gonna play it?
Wait, now. We're gonna clean up everything for him.
Come over here.
Let's freaking go!
Are you gonna practice on it? Oh, okay.
I was waiting.
Well, mommy's no.
I was waiting for this.
Don't
What I found.
Let me see. Show the camera.
What?
Show the camera. That's for y'all to do some play learning.
It's a double blade lightsaber. You can just detach it. Which I have to figure out how. There we go.
Wait, what's this?
Wait,
This is
Jake got the same thing, but I got a red one. I got an
I
orange
had
one.
a blue
Yeah,
one.
let's have a blue one on our hands. I have a bone.
Like the one that just started a
How do you
robber.
open this? I can open
Let me
this.
see.
Jake's already peeked this one, so he knows what it is.
Take the thing off.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Pull it out.
This Spider-Man.
He gave me Spider-Man.
Jake, this is for you.
Oh, Jake's got a Spider-Man bike.
Okay, let's see. Who is this? Who is this? Is it
I don't know. Let's see. Open it up.
I don't know who this is.
I don't know. Let's open it up and see.
Oh, but just
Spider-Man. Wait up.
This is for Troy.
This one's for me. I
This
love
one's for Troy.
this.
Why does it say my name? It's not going to show you, man. It's big enough for Troy.
Well, let's open the other one. I think that one might be yours,
This is
Troy.
mine.
Yep.
Yeah, this
the
one's
blue
mine.
one's yours, Troy.